your LTX Studio is unavailable in your country, like this. Okay, LTX Studio is unavailable in your country. Please go back to our homepage to learn more about LTX Studio. So the solution is simple, and you can try. I give you a tutorial to fix them. Okay, the first one is download Yandex browser. This Yandex browser you can download in maybe in Play Store or your browser. Just go and download Yandex browser and install in your computer. Okay, this okay, but it's still unavailable. So let's try. Okay, I want to install first the Avira Phantom VPN, so we can get a new address. It's very easy, so just you can try it. It just a minute. Okay, I got Avira Phantom VPN Pro. Okay, finish, and it just launched Avira Phantom VPN. Okay, I minimize my and we can use maybe in English, United Kingdom. We must go our location, so it's easy to visit LTX Studio. Just wait a second and we can connecting to our new located using Avira Phantom VPN Pro. Okay, so your connection is secure. Use our Yandex that already installed in your computer. So we just visit LTX Studio. LTX Studio. And then just click in LTX Studio and go to start for free. I hope okay, it's success. Now you can using maybe if you don't have Gmail, you can use Mail. It's temporary email. You can use it for free. Okay, it's success. The problem is success just in maybe 10 minutes. Okay, I want to use steamer.org. Okay, and I got temporary email address, so I can use them for registration and make a new. Okay,